Thank you for joining me. My name is Angela, and today I am going to be showing you how to achieve my, how to achieve my stretched hair look. So a lot of people were asking me, how does my hair go from really shrunken after a wash and go or a twist out or braid out? Then of course it's stretched to, somewhat of this size. So I'm going to be showing you that today. Some days I get really fluffy, stretched out styles like this. Some days it's more defined, stretched out styles. So they're really different, but I always use these two different methods. So I'm going to be showing you the banding method and then also the blow dryer method. Then that way you can go ahead and use them on, your washouts, your wash and goes, braid outs, and twist outs. So if you haven't already, go ahead and click the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel so you can be updated on when I post different hair videos or different vlogs. Also, can you share this video with your friends if they are trying to go natural or if they are natural, and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my hair like this. I'm gonna show you two ways of stretching. So I'm first gonna do the banded method, and then I'm gonna of course go to sleep, and then in the morning, if it's not stretched enough, I'll also show you the blow dryer method with stretching when you put it on low heat. So first we're just gonna band it up from, whatever product you used in your hair. So you split it into 4 sections. And you kind of stretch your hair a little bit, and you take tires, and this is the tires that I have. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna go down your hair shaft as you're tying this up. So keep going down, keep going down till you have your hair like that. And this will mostly work as long as your hair is just a little damp. Like, these can be dry, your ends to be dry, but when your roots are still like a little damp, it usually will stretch pretty good. Sometimes I may get around to it once my hair is all the way dry, and I may have to stretch it the other way. But I notice every time I try to stretch it the banding way without my hair being somewhat damp, for me it just doesn't work. I don't know why, it just doesn't. So there we have that one. My edges are not done. As you can see, they are all like balled up into little curly balls. And so then we have this side, which, here's my other band. There we go. And the last one. So as I said with this, this mainly does work. I will show you the other way in the morning, because I feel like it's not going to be stretched out to my full potential of how I want it. So I am going to not even imitate. I am actually going to do it in the morning with the blow dryer, so you can kind of see. Ignore the product on my hair and how my hair may look dry on this side. As you can see in my last video, I was doing a product review and product didn't come out right. So this video isn't about the shininess of my hair, the greatness of the wash and go. It's just about stretching my hair. This is how I stretch my hair. So if you see my pictures on Instagram or some of my other videos or whatever the case is, I stretch my hair these 2 ways that I'm showing you. So I have this, and then I put my scarf on, if I can find it. So then put your scarf on and go to sleep. And I'll be back in the morning. Okay, just woke up, and I'm actually gonna take this down before I take my kids to school, so I wanted to show you really quick. So basically you just unravel and take off all of your bands. And like I said, this is the first method that you can do of stretching, or one of the methods that you can do of stretching. And you see how that's much more stretched out. I feel like, see, some of that stuff left white residue right here. And this is the side, of course, with the gel. You see it's all left in here, so just let you know. I guess Wetline Extreme don't work that great with the product I used in the previous video, which was the Cream of Nature Honey Lime. I'll have that video link below if you want to take a look at that. But yeah, don't use that product with the Wetline Extreme Gel, because it just didn't. It honestly didn't do that great on my hair. Period. But that may be with the wash and go. Maybe it might do better with a twist out or a braid out. I think I'm gonna do a braid out. For the next week, because my styles just have not been going right, and these products have been giving me, the ups and downs. So I'm actually thinking about just going with the product. I already know how it works and what's gonna happen. Of course, I'm always trying to find new products for my hair. I'm always trying to, see what else is out there, because, so far I've only found a few products for my hair that works. I haven't really found a lot. And I really wish I could have given you guys a video where I feel like my wash and go, would have came out better, and it can really show, a great example of how my hair looks when I stretch it. Because, like I said, this product on here, I feel like, my hair looks horrible. I don't like it. But I definitely wanted to get this video out. I actually filmed it before, but I had what was it? It was a twist out. And although I stretched it, I feel like you just really wasn't able to tell on camera. Like, look at this. Look at this. This product is so frizzy. Look at that. It just did so horrible. It really did. And it sucks that I feel like my whole wash day was ruined, because I washed my hair, deconditioned and everything, and now the style didn't turn out right. So it's kind of like, now I just want to wear my hair in a ponytail for the rest of the week. But what I actually may do is just wet my hair and do a twist out, and see if I can salvage it by just only putting maybe some styling gel on there. So finding a styling gel that kind of works for me. But anywho, okay, we are done. So this is the result of me just stretching it out. The reason why it's uneven on one side is more poofier than the other, let me explain. So my last video, I did the product review. I used one side with gel, which is this side, and I used one side with no gel, just to leave in, and the twisting cream, and that's that side. So the product gives you this really big fluffy type of feel. And actually, it really didn't moisturize my hair that much. It's, my hair is, as you can even see, it's dry on this side, it's stiff. Yeah, so it didn't work out too well for me. And this side, of course, a little bit more defined, a little bit shinier, and it's way more down with the styling gel. But anywho, that's how you stretch your hair doing the banding method. As you can see, it's a little bit more stretched from what I did earlier. And then now I'm gonna show you guys the stretching method with the blow dryer. Okay, so the other method, I had to drop my kids off at school. Yeah, let's try to salvage this. So, I'm gonna do and not so much be talking. And I'll just give you some music in the background and speed this up. But basically what I'm gonna be doing is you're going to have not one clip over here. Okay, so basically what you're going to be doing is you're going to be still doing your hair in like the 4 sections. I do it in multiple sections still as I'm going. Like, of course, I could take this whole thing and just pull it and stretch it. But the way my hair shrinks up, I have to even break it down sometimes into, another section. So once you basically have your wash and go or have your twist out or braid out and everything, and you're ready to stretch, you take your blow dryer and you stretch and you pull outward without pulling nowhere but close to your ends like that.
In the beginning, it was like we were glued to each other, yes we were. And in a room full of people, we lost our sight. We're only us and no others, only us. But as we dove in deep, the water turned cold. Yeah, we have different dreams, so we can never grow. Yeah, as we dove in deep, the water turned cold. 'Cause we have different dreams, so we can never grow. It's sad to know, it's sad to know, it's sad to know that we'll become strangers again, strangers again, strangers again. It's sad to know, it's sad to know, it's sad to know that we'll become strangers again, strangers again, strangers again. A part of me is living a lie. I want you like the first time where we began. But as we dove in deep, the water turned cold. Yeah, we have different dreams, so we can never grow. Yeah, as we dove in deep, the water turned cold. 'Cause we have different dreams, so we can never grow. It's sad to know, it's sad to know, it's sad to know that we'll become strangers again, strangers again, strangers again. It's sad to know, it's sad to know, it's sad to know that we'll become strangers again, strangers again, strangers again. It's sad to know, it's sad to know, it's sad to know that we'll become strangers again, strangers again, strangers again. It's sad to know, it's sad to know, it's sad to know that we'll become strangers again, strangers again, strangers again.
Okay, so as you can see, like I said, I do have different sides of hair. One looks you know, more defined, more shiny. This is the side that I added the gel on. So this is somewhat of what you'll get with your wash and go or your twist out with your products that's added with gel. This is more of what you'll get if you have a product that's only a twist out and maybe it didn't take that well to your hair, or maybe you like the fluffy, you know, wash and go look. You know, some people like that type of natural look. They like a lot of volume. Me, preferably, I like definition. I like it to last me a lot longer. Like with this over here, my hair is going to be dried up really quick. It feels halfway dry already. It's not gonna last me. I'm gonna have to basically redo a wash and go in another few days. It's just not gonna work out for me. So what I may do is re-wet this side, or I may just re-wet the whole thing and just kind of do my wash and go over, but just apply the same products that I applied over again. But either way, this is how you achieve my stretch method. So, well, pretty much everyone's stretch method. But this is how you achieve it. I know I keep messing with my hair, but it's irritating me. As you can see, you definitely got some length. You have some volume going on both sides. Also, if you want, you can take your fingers or a comb and, you know, you can bring it out, you know, more as much as you want. My hair was getting stuck up under my nails. It's time for a fill-in. And of course, that'll make it more voluminous. And of course, the better your shape is, the more great your twist out or braid out or wash and go. It's gonna look great. It's gonna like fall all in place as you stretch it. Just a little tidbit. And that's it. So if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can leave them below. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I will catch you guys later. I'm going back to sleep.